Are you constantly exhausted, struggling with unexplained weight gain, and plagued by thinning hair and brain fog? You've been looking at your diet, but the true culprit might be a deficiency in one single, forgotten mineral. This mineral is the master regulator for your thyroid, the gland that controls 100% of your metabolism and energy. Without enough of it, your thyroid is crippled, your metabolism slows to a crawl, and your immune system crashes. Imagine restoring perfect thyroid balance, reversing unexplained fatigue, and boosting your anti-cancer defense. This crucial element is so powerful it's been called nature's cancer fighter by leading researchers. Studies confirm correcting this deficiency can cut the risk of certain cancers by more than 50%. The secret lies in consuming just 2 small items every single day, a cheap, natural prescription. We'll expose the crucial, simple source for this mineral. Most people are getting the wrong kind or none at all. If you suffer from autoimmune issues like Hashimoto's, this deficiency is actively destroying your thyroid tissue. Doctors often fail to test for this, missing the simple mineral cure for chronic, complex symptoms. Don't skip the final warning about the dangerous dosage mistake that can turn this helpful mineral into a toxin. Stay tuned to Natural Health Secrets to master the ultimate secret to energy, immunity, and longevity. Are you chronically exhausted, battling frustrating, unexplained weight gain, and plagued by persistent thinning hair, dry skin, and that debilitating brain fog that makes simple tasks feel impossible? If these symptoms are familiar, you are experiencing the direct result of a major breakdown in your body's master energy system. You've been desperately trying to fix your diet and increase your exercise, but the true, often overlooked culprit might be a critical deficiency in one single, forgotten trace mineral that controls the fate of your metabolism. This essential mineral is the master regulator for your thyroid gland, the small butterfly-shaped gland in your neck that is literally responsible for controlling 100% of your body's metabolism, energy production, and temperature. Without sufficient quantities of this crucial element, your thyroid is left crippled. Your entire metabolism slows to a crawl, your energy output crashes, and your immune system loses its critical defense capabilities. Imagine finally restoring perfect thyroid hormonal balance, reversing that frustrating, unexplained fatigue and weight gain, and dramatically boosting your body's most powerful, natural anti-cancer defense mechanisms. This essential element is not theoretical. It is so powerful in protecting cellular integrity that leading researchers have rightly crowned it nature's cancer fighter and the ultimate protector of your genetic code. Scientific studies confirm that consistently correcting this silent nutritional deficiency can cut the risk of developing several common and devastating cancers, including prostate and colon cancer, by more than 50%. The secret to achieving these life-changing results lies in consuming just 2 small, specific food items every single day, a simple, cheap, and entirely natural prescription accessible to everyone. We'll expose the crucial, simple, and most effective food source for this mineral. Because relying on generic soil-depleted produce means most people are getting the wrong kind, or, more likely, none at all. If you suffer from common autoimmune conditions like Hashimoto's or Graves' disease, This specific mineral deficiency is actively contributing to the damage and destruction of your delicate thyroid tissue. Traditional doctors often fail to accurately test for this specific mineral, tragically missing the simple, nutritional cure for chronic, complex symptoms that are instead misdiagnosed as just fatigue or old age. Do not skip the final, urgent warning about the precise dosage mistake that can quickly turn this incredibly helpful longevity mineral into a harmful, systemic toxin. Stay tuned to Natural Health Secrets to master the ultimate secret to restoring your energy, fortifying your immunity, and protecting your body's genetic blueprint for long-term health. The foundational trace mineral we are uncovering today, the master regulator for thyroid health and DNA repair, is selenium. Selenium is essential because it is an integral component of selenoproteins, a class of enzymes that function as the body's most potent antioxidants, particularly in the thyroid gland. Your thyroid contains the highest concentration of selenium per gram of any organ in your body. This is because selenium is required to protect the gland from the high levels of free radicals generated during the production of thyroid hormones. More critically, selenium is required for the actual conversion of inactive thyroid hormone T4 into the active metabolic thyroid hormone T3 within your peripheral tissues. Without selenium, T4 stays inert. When you are selenium deficient, your body cannot efficiently convert T4 to T3, leading to the textbook symptoms of hyperthyroidism, low energy, weight gain, cold intolerance, hair loss, and that debilitating brain fog. For the millions suffering from autoimmune thyroid conditions like Hashimoto's, studies show that selenium supplementation can significantly reduce the level of TPO antibodies that are attacking the gland, stabilizing the immune response, and slowing down thyroid destruction. This makes selenium not just a cofactor, but a frontline defense against autoimmune disease and the essential key to unlocking your true metabolic rate. Now, let's address its incredible, life-extending power as nature's cancer fighter, which revolves around its role in DNA protection and cellular repair. The selenoproteins are crucial components in DNA damage repair pathways. They help ensure that the genetic code is correctly maintained, preventing the mutations that lead to cancer formation. By reducing oxidative stress and protecting the DNA, selenium creates an internal environment where malignant cells struggle to take hold and grow, reducing the overall risk of mutation and tumor progression. Large-scale epidemiological studies have strongly linked lower selenium levels to an increased risk of several cancers, particularly prostate, colon, and lung cancer, emphasizing its protective role. The easiest and most potent food source for achieving a therapeutic dose of selenium is the Brazil nut. Just 2 to 3 medium-sized Brazil nuts per day can provide the entire recommended daily allowance of selenium, making this the most effective, simple, and affordable natural supplement available. However, the selenium content in Brazil nuts varies wildly depending on the soil where they are grown. To be safe, rely on consistently sourcing from areas known for mineral-rich soil and stick to the 2-nut rule. If you are struggling with unexplained fatigue or suspect thyroid issues, commit to eating just 2 Brazil nuts every morning. This tiny dietary change can unlock huge metabolic relief. Remember to hit that like button if you found the connection between Brazil nuts and your thyroid. Shocking, and subscribe to Natural Health Secrets. Help us share these powerful, simple cures. Selenium also plays a vital, direct role in bolstering the immune system. It enhances the function of immune cells, including T cells and natural killer cells, which are essential for fighting off viral and bacterial infections. Its antioxidant power protects immune cells from damage, ensuring they can respond quickly and efficiently during a health crisis, helping to reduce the severity and duration of seasonal illnesses. Now, let's look at the critical warning regarding dosage, because the line between selenium as a health booster and a toxin is surprisingly thin. While essential, selenium toxicity, known as selenosis, can occur with excessive intake, leading to symptoms like brittle nails, hair loss, and neurological issues. The safe upper limit for adults is 400 micrograms mcg per day. Since the Brazil nuts already provide between 100 to 200 mcg, it is crucial not to overdo supplementation or consumption. Never take high-dose selenium supplements above 200 mcg without consulting a professional or getting your serum selenium levels tested. The goal is optimal intake, not maximum intake. For non-thyroid health, a general maintenance dose of 55 to 100 mcg per day is usually sufficient. We've covered the thyroid key, the DNA protection, and the simple Brazil nut solution. This forgotten mineral is a foundational element for anyone seeking energy and longevity. This is the single most important mineral secret you must correct if you want to stabilize your weight, restore your energy, and provide your body with its best chance against major disease. We have now armed you with the precise knowledge to unlock your full metabolic potential using the power of this trace element. Now, tell us in the comments below, will you start eating Brazil nuts daily to help your thyroid? And what is your goal, more energy or weight stability? We value your commitment to this natural cure. If this video revealed why someone's thyroid medication might not be working fully, please share it immediately with them. You could be giving them the key to better health. And finally, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right now. You don't want to miss our next video, where we expose the top 3 common drinks that are secretly giving you premature wrinkles and aging your skin. Thank you for trusting Natural Health Secrets. Protect your thyroid and your DNA. We will see you next time with more breakthrough natural remedies.